Welcome to Ask Lift Logic, the video series where we're answering your questions. I'm Todd Smith and I'll be your host. Throughout this video series, we're going to cover things that we're experts in. So SEO, web design, web development, PPC, social media, photography, and videography. That's why we wanted to start Ask Lift Logic, to help serve out content to people who aren't just our clients. Because the more you guys know, the better decisions you can make. Are there any new Google ad formats that people should know about?
Yeah, so we kind of touched on some of these. Responsive ads are certainly a thing that they're pushing hard right now. It's in fact like now best practice in a search ad campaign to have two what are called expanded text ads. So those are just like your standard text ad with like extensions and things like that. So you can have site extensions, you can have call links, you could have like a little map. And then there's what's called responsive search ads. So I talked about that. Finding, you give Google a bunch of headlines and you give Google a bunch of descriptions and they create all the combinations for you. So then they're also rolling out, obviously, the smart campaigns, the smart display. Those are really taking off. And the responsive display, which is a really easy way. I like it because it makes like the display network so much more accessible. I have a lot of clients who I know would be successful on the display network, but they don't have the budget for us to, have it go through design and that whole process.
Yeah.
So I'm like, well, we took really good photos for your website. We have your logo already.
Just throw them
on. We can just put all those together and give it some copy and you have a display campaign now.
Feel free to hashtag AskLL on social media, and we'll get to them as quickly as we can. But keep in mind, there are no stupid questions, especially in the digital space.